What you might be interested in understanding is about the RTK system and why in mapping we're very interested in using RTK to try and get as best a fix as possible for the aircraft. When you're taking images, what you want to ensure is that center pixel is as accurate as possible. And this means that when you create your mosaic, or orthomosaic, the standard deviation of your pixels may only be 0.5 centimetre, whereas without it, and just relying on GPS, it could be 1, 2, or 10 meters out. So this is how we have a look at RTK. So you'll see in the right-hand corner, when I press on RTK, I'm connected. So I've got an internet signal and I'm connected to what is called an NTRIP server. What I will do now is show you where you can find that in the menu. So you want to go to the right-hand side and click on the 3 dots. On the 3 dots, you'll want to click on that satellite, which is at the bottom. And you'll find here, this is where all the precise positioning settings are. So I've got here my server, which is RTK data. That's the people that provide it. And here is the vital information you're after. So you've got the aircraft RTK stat. So you've got the aircraft fix. That's where the aircraft fix is when it's connecting to the GPS satellites. The custom RTK data is where that exact point, that tower, that emitter on the ground that is fixed, that is where that location is. So as I move my aircraft to the left, my GPS changes, but that fixed position doesn't. What happens is the very clever computers inside the aircraft and the remote, they do all calculations, and at the bottom you'll see something called standard deviation. All the time the aircraft is in the air, it's hovering and it's being slightly buffeted. There's standard deviation between what the aircraft thinks it is in terms of location and what its actual location is, taking into account that fixed custom network that we have. It's communicating with that all the time to ascertain where it is. And why is this important? It's important because when you take imagery for mapping purposes, you want to know that that center pixel is as exact as possible. And the referencing, the lat and the long of that center pixel is as accurate as possible. And this is where the RTK data comes in. When you have multiple overlapping images, all of which are really accurate because of that RTK data and its ability to correct those standard deviations, that means that your end product, your mapping product, your orthomosaic and your model will be even more accurate. And that's something that you can add to your workflow.